And then the other one is just watching there. The back.
Hindi kita.
I can see.
Naka-zoom kasi.
I can see. Si Z. Ay, malabo. Can't you see? Can't you see?
Wow.
Can't you see? Ba't lumabo?
Locos mo siya.
You.
Gusto ko yung ano, yung layo na lalaki.
Ow. Today is August 10. Is it August 10?
11.
August
11 to
11, 2012. We are here in Rhino and Lion Park Nature Reserve in Johannesburg, actually Krugersdorp, with Errol, Z, Vince, Dylan, Kaylin, Dana, Kervin, and Miggy.
Yung sabi nung
We are so enjoying what we're seeing now.
wala pa siya masyadong buo.
And wow.
Look at the face of this lion.
Sabari niya isa.
Blood and it's blood.
It's like
Real blood.
it's real blood.
As you can see, they're looking at us.
Yeah.
It seems like
It's like,
they're watching this one.
yes.
I think they're still hungry.
See, who are going to fight.
Ang sexy ng lalaking lion talaga. Oh, tama.
Thank you.
Lalaking
Thank you,
lion.
Lord.
Is this finished now? Are we going now?
Lakad pala.
No, stay, please.
Stay.
Lakad lang.
Wow.
Ito.
He looks like a bear.
Ayun na, tumayo na yung isa. Laki-laki.
Laki pala.
I think he's the father.
Father.
The father is awake now. And
Alis na kayo
he's
dyan.
on
Kakain
his
na.
way to eat his part. He's itching. Now he's just waiting for them to get out of his way so he can have his part. His part. This is the father. Hi, please don't get angry at us. Please. Ang laki niya. Wow.
You
Yes. I wanna have a pet like this.
what?
Please
Stuffed toy like this.
Yeah, I wanna have a